everyone, happy Sunday. I hope you're all doing so well today. I am actually filming. I haven't filmed for a little while. I've been filming Vlogmas and I've been planning loads of different other videos that are still in progress. But today is all about a self-care Sunday. So this is the video that's coming to you. You can do these things obviously in the morning, in the middle of the day, before bed. Whatever it is that you want to do with your self-care Sunday is completely up to you. Today I am just going to take you around on my morning routine or my morning regime, whichever word better suits you. As you saw from the clip, I had a shower, I've washed my hair, I've detoxed my hair. I used the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo, which I received in my Cult Beauty Advent Calendar. I can't remember what day this was. I want to say it was day 3, but I can't remember. But this essentially is a hair and scalp shampoo, so it removes product pollution and hard water buildup. I have really harsh water here where I live, and also I use a variety of different products in my hair, so I'm waiting to see what the outcome was of it. So I'm yet to see the outcome, obviously, until I dry my hair, but that's a shampoo I've used. I've also used my Hello Honey Manuka Natural Sugar Body Scrub, which you saw. I love this product. It makes my skin silky smooth. And I'm going to be going in with my natural body pudding, but I'll do that after I've washed my face, brushed my teeth and all that good stuff. So let's continue on with my self-care video. And then what I like to do is usually go in with my Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser, which I love this stuff. So that's the first thing I like to do, just to wash and deeply cleanse my face. So I'll wet my face. So just layer all that on, like so. And then I like to take my Fill the Glow Up. This is their facial massager, which I love. So I just use that and massage all the cleanser into my skin. So let's just do that. Once that's done, you just rinse it and you can just pop it back into its little holder, which I usually keep right by my sink. Sorry, run the tap. And now I take a clean flannel and I just wipe all the excess off my face, but my face feels awake, if that makes sense. What's really great about a massager like this is that it helps boost circulation into your skin. It's a massager, so it really gets the blood flow going, and yeah, it just makes your face look brighter. You'll see. Just take some water and just wipe it all away. Get rid of any excess makeup if there is anything on your skin. I always do my neck as well, like so. It just makes your skin look so much brighter. It makes your face look brighter and just so soft and smooth. I love it. And that's all I'm doing to my face, meaning cleansing and all that good stuff. Now go and get ready, and then I'm going to finish off doing my face, where I'm going to use some facial oils. Today I'm doing a makeup tutorial, so I am just prepping my skin for the makeup that's going to be going onto my skin. So I'm going to use some facial oils, some eye cream, face cream, my roller. So let's go and do that. Hey my lovely, so I've just got ready and now I'm going to do my face and then I'll tackle my hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is going with my VOTARY Super Seed Facial Oil, which is fragrance free. This is also something I got from my Cult Beauty advent calendar, so I'm super excited to give this a try. I've been actually using this for a few days since I got it because this was day one. So I just take probably a large pea size, I rub it in my fingers like this and I just pop it in the areas of my face. And I don't really rub it in too much because I like to use my facial roller. So I got gifted this. I would like to keep it in the box because there's something else in there that I still haven't tried. This is the Smooth Synergy Anti-Aging Massage Roller and Gua Sha gift set. I actually don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I apologise if I'm not. So this is what it looks like. I use my facial roller. Echo also normally likes me to try and roll her with this. So I just take this with the oil on. I feel like I want a bit more oil on there today, just to really get this gliding around. So I'll take a little bit more. Yeah, that'll do. And you roll up. I am very conscious of, firstly, I'm getting older and I've started to get a fine line here, which I've actually had since I was 23 and it's always been there. Never really bothered me too much, but I am very conscious of it now because I know obviously I'm getting a lot older and I'm 31. I'm 31 now, which is so scary that I'm actually that age. I can't believe, I don't know where the time's gone. So I'm actually really careful with how I nurture and take care of my skin. It's a priority to me because as much as I am getting older and I understand like that's just life, but also I want to age gracefully. I want to make sure that I am really truly taking care of my skin. So that's super important to me, you know. So actually they have what's amazing about this gift set, it has like instructions of where to use what side of the roller. So for the large roller, you go in your forehead, your eyebrows, which is super key because that is all about circulation. It's all about helping the elasticity in your face just bounce back, nourishing your skin. For cheeks, it says to roll up like this. And then for your neck, you also roll up. So I'm just going to roll up all my neck. Oh, it's like a massage. It's lovely. And then for your eyelids, it says from the centre to both sides. So like that. And then for your under eyes, you go in. Let's try like that. And then for your nasolabial folds, which are these fine lines, I call them laughter lines, but apparently that's what they're called, you actually run them down. Like so. And that's how I roll my face. I just usually follow their instructions because I find it easier and I feel like I'm doing it right. So that's that. And thank you Smooth Synergy because that is just a godsend. I am so appreciative for it. I love it. I'm just going to do my lips. So I'm going to go in with my rosebalm.com lip salve by Glossier. I find it's incredibly important if you're wearing lipstick to always nourish your lips well in advance, so then it kind of absorbs in. So and I've done that. I'm actually going to go in with a new eye cream. So normally I use one that I sell as part of my little beauty side hustle, which is the Federico Mahora Gold Regenesis eye cream. But today I'm actually going to use one that I got from my Cult Beauty box, my advent calendar. And it's the Verso eye cream, and it's extra nourishing. And this is what it looks like. So I thought I'd give it a try. And it looks like this. So I'm going to just take a small amount and dab underneath my eye, both eyes, like so. And I'm just going to kind of like rub that in. Do the lid, top lid as well. I do find that if I'm extra tired or I'm not feeling 100%, I get really dark circles. I don't know if anybody else gets that. I just find that it's very noticeable in my eyes. My family are all the same as well, like they all get similar things. So if they get sick, if they're going to get a cold or they feel run down, you notice it immediately in the eyes because we just get dark circles. So I try to kind of take care of that a lot. That's actually really nice. It really soaks in super well. It feels so soft. It feels so soft. I love that. So that is this. And I also had a load of goodies actually from the advent calendar. I'm pointing there because it's right there, sorry. I've got the Askia London liquid mask. I'm not going to use this today, but I'm excited to try that. So let's get on with the makeup, shall we? Because I'm going to do my makeup and then I'm going to do my hair. And then I'm going to get a hot lemon, and that is my self-care Sunday. So let's get into it. Hopefully I don't talk too much. Today I feel like wearing something that's a little bit lighter on the skin. I'm going to go with my Nude Sticks foundation, and this is the Real Skin with Natural Tint foundation. So it's more like a liquid tinted moisturiser, as I always say. I'm just going to take a really small amount of that to blend that into my skin. I use the shade Nude 5. Yeah, Nude 5. I bought another one because I ran out, and I just didn't realise how much I loved this product until I ran out of it. And I was like, no, I need to buy some more. I think my skincare changes up quite a lot. I'm actually going to go in with a new concealer, and this is my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I actually bought this on the Black Friday sale on ASOS, and I've got the shade Ginger Medium 2. I don't know if this is the right shade for me. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's just a little one. So I'm just going to use this. I was going to do a makeup tutorial, but I've actually got a product review I need to do, so I'm going to do that today instead, and then I'll do my makeup tutorial another day. I just need to plan my videos better because I've just been so busy doing so many other things that I've just neglected YouTube a little bit, and I hate that. I love doing YouTube, so I just need to get back on it. Now that's done, I'm going to use another favourite from my Cult Beauty advent calendar, and this is the Hourglass Ambient Blush in Luminous Flush, which I'm excited to use. Look how pretty this packaging is. Like, I can't get over it. And then stunning. So I'm just going to take a bit of this blush and just, it goes on so nicely, and you really don't need a lot. Like, a little really does go a long way with this. I like more peachy blushes, as I find that they better suit my skin tone, but this one is really nice. It's very natural and not too overbearing. But yeah, I think it's stunning. I need to do an Instagram post on that. And I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury highlighter. Brows, I'm going in with the Rimmel Wonderful Brow, which is their waterproof one, which I didn't realise it was waterproof, but I love it. Because I already have obviously quite thick brows anyway, just naturally. This just kind of puts them into place. Before I apply any lipstick, I'm actually going to do my hair. And this one's going to be a rather quick speed up section. So apologies, but Gary's coming home and we're going out to quickly go to the supermarket. So I need to blow dry and do all my hair. Normally my self-care Sundays mean relax, calm. Yeah, there's no such thing as calm with Gary, I don't think. First thing I do is just get the hairdryer and I just dry my hair. So now that's all quickly blow dried, I'm actually going to go in with my hot brush and just style it. And what I love about this is that it actually feels like, or looks like, I've had like a blow dry from the hairdressers. So that's what I love about a hot brush, is that you can really style your hair super quick. I may do a tutorial on this because this is going to be sped up, so let me know in the comment box if you'd like me to do a tutorial on how I do my hair. If you're interested, let me know and I will do that. But for now, it's going to be sped up, so apologies. And that's my hair done. I love it, it's just so bouncy. I will 100% do a tutorial on this if you're interested in how I do my hair. I actually have 2 new liquid lipsticks from MAC, and I'm going to wear this one. This is Burning Love, and it's their powdery liquid lip. So it's a powder kiss liquid lip colour. Let's turn that off. And this is what it looks like. I am a huge favourite of these lipsticks because I've got one which is mullet over and I wear that all the time. So I'm hoping this one is just as good. It's my first try of it, I've not even tried it, so we'll see. Oh, that's lovely. And that is it. I'm not going to put any mascara on because I just don't want to have to wipe it off later. But if I was going out properly, I probably would. But that is today's look. So that's it. That is my self-care Sunday video. I'm all ready for the day. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found it relaxing, and I hope you enjoy, you know, taking some time out for yourself and just maybe pampering yourself or doing your skincare routine or applying your makeup or whatever your Sunday or your self-care day needs to look like. Whatever makes you feel good, I think that's what a self-care day is. So yeah, this is mine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!